So where I'm at right now, I am at the Billy's Bay Fishing Beach. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Come to Billy's Bay, Treasure Beach fishing community. So right now I'm in the Billy's Bay area. So when you're in Billy's Bay, it's very close to Frenchman, Sandy Bank, Calabash Bay. So if you're just stopping by on the channel, if you're new to the channel, you can press the like button, free of cost, with paper. Yeah man, this is your tour guide, Fire Reid. Yeah man, take you to different places in Jamaica. But as you see right now, I am in the breadbasket, St. Elizabeth. You can know a lot of farming up in St. Elizabeth, but on this side, you know, it's a fishing area. You know, Jamaica have a lot of corner shops, so if you feel thirsty, you can stop at one of the bars. They might have, you know, red stripe beer, Guineas, your choice. So look at the beauty in Billy's Bay. man, so now if you look out on the eyes and blow the horn around the corner. Yeah man, because you know a lot of different bike riders on the road and also different type of drivers. So you gotta be very careful. On your left, you have the Pelican Hotel. So yeah man, it's a very nice place. You can go there, get a nice sea view, and also if you love to see the sunset in Billy's Bay, you can go to the Pelican Hotel. You get a nice view of the sunset. So you need to check that out if you're those type of person. Also in Billy's Bay, it's also a fishing area also. So we're heading towards 77 West. Yeah, and 77 West is a very nice place for dining, having your take your family. It's a very nice place. In the Billy's Bay area. On your left you have the Bay Cottage. On your right, this is where you can get your best cooked food. On your right when you come in the Billy's Bay area. Your man said if you want to cook food, check it out over there. So on your right, yeah man. On your right, you have the Billy's Bay Gospel Chapel. On your right. This is life in Jamaica in the St. Elizabeth area, Billy's Bay. So on your left, you have the 77 West Cafe Bar Restaurant. And if you make the left turn, it will take you all to 77 West. you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, your tour guide, Fire Reid. So you all have a blessed day. One love and one happy people. Keep safe. Peace and out.